Creation of posting period variant. /n OBBO T code.
Okay, creation of posting
Variant. /n OBBO. Where is your server? /n OBBO.
Right.
OBBO. Enter. OBBO /n.
/n O.
Not that slash. You are putting backslash.
Okay,
/n. /n OBBO. Enter. New entries. We will create one posting period variant. Okay, new entries. Give MICP. MICP. Some name. MICP. MICP. In the disk name you write Microsoft variant. Microsoft variant. Save.
Yeah, right.
Save. Next step, assign posting period variant to company code. Assign posting period variant to company code. Assign posting period variant to company code. /n OBBP. /n OBBP. P for peacock. Enter. Wow, data is locked. Go to SM12 and release the data. /n SM12. SM12. Remove the username. Click on list button. Select all and delete. Delete. Yes. Now go to the T code. Close. Cross mark is there. Inside. Delete. Yes. Now go to the T code. /n OBBP. OBBP. Enter. Position. Click on position. Give company code MIC1. Enter. Continue. Okay. Microsoft. Where is your company code? MIC1. Go to position. MIC1 only, no? Your company code.
Yes.
Where is that one? It is not there. Gone or what?
Table delete.
MI01. Your voice is breaking, ba. I'm not understanding what you are telling.
MIC1 only. Code.
But it is not there, no.
Yes. They will delete.
That's why I'm asking. It is not there.
No, I don't know because this is the customer using it. The user can delete, please.
Sometimes they will do like that. Go and check in that third step, assign company code to company /n OX16. There we can find, we will see /n OX16. 16. Here you go and check whether it is available or not. Your company code position. Go to position.
Yeah.
Continue.
No.
Gone. No, you need to create fully today. I think they deleted. Sometimes what will happen? No, if they refresh the server, no, it will be gone.
They will delete
Sometimes. I think they have refreshed your server. I am thinking. Go and check your company. Go and check your company is there or not. /n OX15. Go to position. Microsoft. Micro. Company micro, no.
Oh.
No.
No.
Deleted, I think. No.
Yes.
Hmm.
Then I'll do one thing. I'll practice the sessions we learned on Wednesday. I'll create the company code as
well. You create minimum 5, please. Minimum 5 companies you try to create. Okay, it will be good for you. Write in a book what are the company name and company code name. Otherwise we'll forget. Okay, whatever you are creating, no. Okay, try to create the company name and company code. These two are very, very important. See, rest of the things we can give any name, no problem. Main is the company name and company code name. And remember, company code you put first 3 letters company name, last letter you put number. It will be easy to number,
right?
Any number, your wish. Any number. First 3 letters you put the characters. Your company. See, for example, Infosys is there, no, for example. Okay, company code you can put INFO1. One, like that. See, for example, you are creating HP company. For example, I am telling. Okay, company code will be HP 1.
01.
01 also okay.
Okay.
01 also okay, or HP1 also okay.
Okay.
Like that, you manage the company and the company code. Company code should be 3-digit character you put, 1-digit number you put. It will be easy for us to understand.
Okay, like this. Like this MISK.
Like that, it will be easy to find out. Okay, and another thing, put some backup companies. See, one company we will do the practice. Okay. See, whenever our practice complete, no, your backup 4 companies will be there. No, that you need to complete the work. Like that you plan.
Okay.
It will be easy for you.
Yeah.
See, for example, one company we completed 12 steps in class. Previously, you are having 4 company codes in your hand. No, you need to complete that all 4 up to that step. Like that, if you follow, means it will get grip for you the subject. Okay, that's why what I am trying to tell you means keep minimum 5 companies keep in a hand in your minimum.
Okay.
And write that one in book. Simple. Means what is the company name and the company code name. Why? Because for example, if you forgot, no, we need to find out where it is, like that. If it is in a book, means easily it will, we can, this is the company.
I'll take the notes. Yes, usually I'll take the notes.
This time you do that one. Okay. Minimum 5 companies you can ready. Okay. When we will sit? Wednesday. Tomorrow.
Also fine.
Your wish. If you complete means tomorrow.
Yeah, then Wednesday. I'll take 2 days to finish of the 5 companies.
5 companies.
Because I'll do practice, right?
Up to 10th step you need to do. Remember, today I have told 2 steps. No, that one also you try to complete.
Creation of posting period variant and assigning posting period variant to the company. right?
That's all. Exactly. Totally 10 steps. Okay. 10 steps, 5 companies.
Okay.
Clear, no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, right. Keep in backup. Wednesday, tomorrow, Wednesday we will start from 11th step. We will start.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And daily check whether it is there or not. Sometimes they will refresh.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why I'm normally it won't delete. In
Okay.
rare cases it will delete. In rare cases, but you are the rare case, I think, in this server.
Okay. Okay.
Means out of
So
100.
because I think I feel like it's a weird. Where is the? I mean, we have created a company code. It's missing. I thought it's weird. So because this is the first time now I'm creating and I'm
Correct. That's
searching.
why I see out of 100, 1% servers will refresh. Sometimes
Okay.
if they refresh also, our company will be available. Okay, but unfortunately for you only it is happened. I don't know why. That's why what you do means if another one, if you have backup, no, for example,
Yeah, of course, yes,
if this
absolutely.
one also not
Definitely.
there means that will be available.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why every time we need some backups. That's why what you do means five companies you make it backup. Minimum 5 enough, not more than that. Yeah, 4.
Okay.
If you find it difficult for 5 means make it 4.
Okay, sure.
Okay, means least 3, minimum 3, maximum 4. Okay, 3 also okay for me, not a issue. But minimum 3 and maximum 4 companies. You can decide. You can create minimum or maximum based upon your.
4
maximum. Maximum 4 you create. 1 we will follow in the training out of 4.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Rest of them I'll
and
take for the
3 we will
session.
put backup.
Yeah, sure.
See, for example, if for example in class I have told 6 steps, 3 companies you have completed up to 10, no. Okay, 6 is over now. For one company code 6 or 16 over. Now next what you need to do means you need to complete for that 3 company codes, you need to complete 16 steps.
Yes.
Like that you need to follow.
Yeah.
It will be easy for you the practice and to understand.
Yeah, of course.
Actually, this is the best practice what I understand.
Yeah, even I feel the same.
Why? Because for you also it will be good. If you follow one company code means class will be good, but for your practice one backup should be there. Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.